This is the rock salt trencher. I gotta get back to work, man.
What's up, y'all? We're back with another episode of Field Notes from FieldWrk. Today, we're in Nashville, Tennessee, and we partnered up with Civil Constructors to tour 3 of their job sites, along with Safety Director Jamie Jones, to learn more about how they've been building Tennessee for the last 30 years. This morning, we're at the Vanderbilt Athletic Complex with grading foreman David Fitzgerald and his small crew who have all been with the company 20 plus years.
Morning, Dave. How are you?
Horrible. How are you?
Better than horrible.
That's good.
You got quite a bit done yesterday.
Not as much as I wanted.
Well, I know, it's never that.
I wanted all of that covered and I wanted to be screeding right now.
I'm gonna be done with this today. All this is, I got a riser ring coming for that. That's what my wife said. She goes, the interview's gonna be fine. She goes, if you don't like what you're saying, you just, I just edit it. It's all about the editor. What we're doing here is doing all the preliminary grading where they can put curbs and brick pavers in. I'll be putting all the stone for the pavers, making sure that it's all correct. I'll smooth this up right quick, and then I'm gonna I'll get Philly to come over here and we'll move that pile. We'll take the little dump truck, pick it up, and we'll pile it up everything right here. So have you ever seen one of these trucks before?
I like them. They're really fun.
Yeah, but the bed turns and it can dump on the side. So say for instance, I want to backfill this area with topsoil, but I already have pavers here. With that little truck right there, I can run along the curb and take it and side dump it. That way I won't get any material on the pavers itself. The reason why we're doing it this way is the material doesn't get dirty. You take a skid steer, you can move it that way, but with the Mini X, I'm not pulling from the bottom because we don't want to contaminate the dirt. We have dirt in your chips. This particular job it's a lot of time consuming, working with other trades to make sure that it has a nice steady flow to it.
You in good shape, man?
Oh yeah, everything's good. We shouldn't be,
Raising manholes and filling?
Yeah, everything's filling for now, so.
All right, man, I appreciate it.
I've been doing grade work, construction work out in the field for 45 years. My dad was a superintendent and I had the chance to go with him to work. At 23, I was already a foreman on a crew that we cleaned up behind a pipe crew. That's one of my joys, to make it look good, that way we can sell the job. All the fabric that's placed down underneath these pavers, the bottom runs are always easy to do. You're just rolling fabric out, making sure that everything is covered as you go. So the reason why we just don't put fabric, one big sheet up the side, if you run a piece of equipment across it, it doesn't allow for the machine to pull. It'll pull the fabric off. So we cut a roll of fabric into about a 3-foot section, and then we chalk a line to make sure that we're at the right elevation. And then we take spray adhesive and put that 3-foot section. That gives you enough to cover as it comes down. We save on fabric. Instead of it coming up, it's already pre-cut. I just have to go down there and we just glue it to the sides. A little spray adhesive goes a long way. guys like myself are aging out, and we need a new bunch of people to build the roads, get ready for all this stuff. And there's a great opportunity for the youth to be able to come in and be inspired by what we do, to learn it. Great opportunity. So on this machine, we're right behind us, we're always looking for a shovel. My brother came up with a concept, and then I changed it around just a little bit for each one, but on the side of that boom, there's magnets holding that shovel on the side of the stick. That way, we'll always have a shovel instead of having to run back to the truck. We worked 8 years at the Metro Airport, a BNA airport. I've helped dig the MLS soccer stadium here in Nashville. I've worked on every stretch of interstate coming in and out of Nashville. We did John C. Toon Airport, where we totally demolished the entire runway, and then in 90 days we put a new runway back in there. I mean, just the countless amount of little jobs around that you can drive around Nashville saying, oh yes, I worked there, I did this there, and then actually being able to show my family, look, this 1.5 mile sidewalk we did for the city of Franklin. Hey, your dad did this. Every time that we drive by there, it's like, yes, Dad, we know that you did this sidewalk, or yeah, we know that you worked there, but you know, one day they can tell their kids, hey, your granddad did that.
Wait for it. That's when you almost drop your shovel.
Hey Tristan, can I ask you another favor?
No.
Can I have you vlog for me for just like a second? Just like hold the camera and talk a little bit about what you're doing here. Yes. All right, hold the camera just like that, just like you're an influencer. Yeah, just like that. That's great. Yeah, point it out there and speak a little loud so the mic can hear you. Hey, yeah, and then just kind of you can point to different stuff and be like, this is what we're doing. This is how far we're drilling. Just like talk about all the cool shit.
Is it rolling?
Yeah. You're ready to go whenever you're ready. Yep.
Hey, it's Tristan Mitchell with Civil. We're out here rock drilling. Got a Prkwy with 1500. We can drill up to 88 feet, and right now we are honeycombing because we are too close to a gas line that we can't shoot it. So right now we're drilling about 18 feet in the ground, honeycombing, drilling a hole every foot. We do this so we don't have to blast it because the risk of blowing up a main gas line, it could kill you, and it's not good. So they're putting a hotel and a apartment complex out here all over his side. I'm not sure where they're gonna sit at, but there's your site.
Sweet. How was that?
I didn't like it.
All right, well, this is the rock salt trencher. Blades with teeth all over it, cut through rock like no other. Makes our job way easier. Sit up in the cab, elevates up to whatever distance I need up in the air to see above and beyond the machine. It's a pretty cool rig. It's helped us out a lot. Basic cab, screen. AC works whenever it wants to. Conveyor shoots out the rocks whenever it cuts the rocks, dust. whatever, all the sediment comes out the other side of this machine right over here. I mean, massive. Around the side. Keep all our spare teeth, whatever we need inside of it. Set up. The other side of the conveyor where the rocks, sediment, dust, everything shoots out, dirt. The conveyor comes out as far as I need it to. I can contract it, whatever. I can set the speed for how far it shoots out. And then we're back to the front, and the boom raises and lowers to the distance, depth I need, from 1 foot down to 6, 8, whatever we need. But it makes our job a lot easier for the pipe layers just to move on, keep trekking as fast as we can to get this job done. And that's what we had to say about the Vermeer rock saw trencher.
You done anything like that before?
Not really.
Really? That was your first time?
Yeah.
We might shoot out that way if we get enough time to. Come over and holler at y'all. All right, man, y'all too. See you, ball. This is our TARI project out at the airport. It's a big project for us. You wanna be on camera? This is our project superintendent, Jonathan Parker. Put him in this role to get this project rolling. It's gonna get done. This project supposed to last 15 months. 15 months worth of work. I think we're the company get it done. We'll see how it goes. Yeah. One big thing about a project, there's always a lot of stuff going on. As you can see, we probably have over 20 pieces of equipment here. A lot of staging has to go in place. See, we have some material stacked over there out the way. We also have other material stacked up and out the way here. And as you can tell, there's other utilities and everything going on. They were already in place as we were working here, before we started to work here. So we have safety systems in place to kind of keep that rolling and going. What's up, all? Good to see you, man. Yes, sir. This is one of our bigger excavators working here. As you can hear that horn, that's a way for us to communicate with one another. We truck the pieces of equipment. As this truck is backing up, you'll hear this horn beep again to let them know that they're in place and they're ready to get loaded. Any form of communication is good communication on any job site. One of the things that we have to also worry about is protecting the public on here. As you can see on the other side of here, there's a parking lot, a lot of pedestrian traffic going back and forth between cars. A lot of people were using this site for pickup as well, so just getting that understanding if this is an active job site. We have our safety system to help try to keep some of the pedestrians out. As you can see, fresh porta potties. Aaron went, you know, porta potty etiquette. We learned that from you off of Bill Witt. We have our fencing here as well. Some people may say this concrete barrier should be enough, but as for sometimes the public doesn't understand it, it's a quicker way to get access. So we try to make sure that we put this extra flagging up so that people can understand that this is a job site. You have this road coming in for this side of the job. Up on this bank, we have another road for trucks getting loaded to go and dump. front of this dozer. What that dozer will do, these trucks will dump form. That dozer will push material into place. As a safety director, communication is a huge key. Having everybody talking before jobs. We do a pre-job JHA every morning on every single job site. It is key so that we understand that everybody's on the same page. Everybody's in a working order. If we have deliveries such as this big pipe here, it's communicated before before it's delivered. We know who's gonna be the one unloading it, who's gonna be the one taking care of it, and getting it set up. One simple thing that this utility crew does, they go ahead and put this band on here. Usually some people might wait to the last minute, but they go ahead and get these ready to go, make sure that they're able to kind of be ahead of the game as much as possible. Like I said, this job is a time crunch. One key thing that we have here, we're able to do, we have our own fuel trucks and our own oilers. These guys right here, they keep it rolling. Our fuel trucks, some of the hardest working people that we have. They are going from 6 in the morning, sometimes to 6 in the evening, getting equipment oiled, getting it ready to go, and making sure that everything has everything that we need. As you see, this piece of equipment has a little bit of trash, but we keep a broom, glass cleaner, and rags. These rags were used to clean these windows. Any company that takes pride in what they do understands that cleanliness is next to godliness, and if you want to be a great company, keeping good equipment and clean equipment is key. As a safety director, some people get nervous when I walk on site. I don't want people to be nervous. The goal is that no matter who walks on site, whether it's OSHA, our company presidents, vice president operations, project managers, the guys in the field should be doing the right thing at all times. We make sure everybody's OSHA 35 from a lead man position up, and then we also OSHA 10 is one thing that we've really implemented. Everybody across the board will at least have their OSHA 10. CPR certified. For those who don't think that's important, we had a foreman. His lead man has been known him since he was 12 years old. His lead man saved his life, and if he didn't know CPR, he wouldn't be around here today. Doing all right? Huh? Say what? Y'all remember you? Doing all right?
Less than highly favored.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. It's one of our new operators here. Been part not too long, doing a great job. Running probably the biggest piece of equipment that we have out here. Give me a thumbs up, boss. Another one of our project execs walking up. He's actually over this project. Hard Knocks, I'm mic'd up. Who's she cussing out?
I can't believe you got that on the first try. That was amazing.
So you can see him through the mask.
Your homie over there,
yeah.
You go interview him and be like, point the camera at him, ask him some random questions.
All right.
All right, sweet.
This is my co-worker, Tops. Introduce yourself, Top.
What up, Chop? Nice to meet y'all.
Tell them what you do, man.
I'm the load operator for the team, trying to be the best there is out there.
That what's up? Yep. That's homeboy Top right there. Right now we laying storm drain. We're putting in a couple of storm boxes. And I'm gonna walk over here with some more co-workers. Come here, Superman. This is one of our best guys. Tell him your name, what you do.
Jose, how you doing?
Tell him what you do.
Pipe layer? Yeah, yo. Hey, Josh, look here. Got you, man. Tell me your name, man, and tell them what you do, man. Yeah, that's Josh. I'm gonna go over here to our hole operator. Her name is Miss Ashley. Tell her your name.
My name is Ashley Chesney, and I've been at Civil in September. Will be 5 years, and I run an excavator, but I do it all.
All right, that's about all for right here. It's been nice. I gotta get back to work, man.
That's all for this episode. Make sure to follow FieldWrk to stay up to date with this series. Also, check out Studson's protection equipment, and if you're interested in working with or for Tennessee's premier heavy civil contractor, make sure to check out civilconstructors.com. As always, we're FieldWrk, and we build hardworking brands for hardworking people.